I played Grand Theft Auto 5, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The latest game in the GTA series came out on September 17th, 2013, and it may very well be the best game in the series, or at least since Vice City anyway. Unlike the previous games in the series, you get to play as three characters, Michael, Franklin, and Trevor, who is by far the most entertaining character in the GTA series in my opinion. The story starts off with Franklin working for a car dealership and running into Michael. The two perform a heist, which catches the attention of Trevor, who disappeared after a heist with Michael and two other guys. The heist went wrong, and Michael has been in the witness protection system ever since. He meets up with Michael, and the three commit crimes, heists, and other events. The heists are extremely fun to play. At one point, it almost seems like you're trying to replay a scene in Reservoir Dogs. Only you didn't get to see the scene in Reservoir Dogs, but whatever. Now, I want to talk about the end of mission or missions because those are interesting. But you must know there will be spoilers. So if you don't want to know what happens, don't watch the rest of this video. Anyway, Franklin is given the choice of whether to kill Michael, kill Trevor, or kill neither in a mission called Death Wish. I chose the Death Wish mission because I didn't want to see Michael or Trevor die because these are just such great characters. That, and I wanted to get revenge on a character named Haynes, this annoying CIA agent that pesters the characters throughout the game. In this mission, you kill Stretch, an gangster enemy of Franklin's, Wei Chang, an enemy of Trevor's, a businessman, and Haynes and Devin Weston, the main antagonists of the game. Haynes is really more the main antagonist, because he's more threatening than Weston. But anyway, the mission is incredibly fun. The driving has improved greatly since Grand Theft Auto 4. It's more smooth and easier. Overall, this game is very fun and much better than Grand Theft Auto 4, which now I feel is an average game. I personally like the add-on Stories from Murder City much better, but maybe I'll look at those some other time. I definitely recommend this game. Next review is going to be another video game, particularly WWE 2K14.